हे गाइस, नए ब्लॉग में आपका स्वागत है। गाइस, क्या हाल है सबके?
तो दोस्तों, कल हम गए थे अपने राइटर के घर और वहाँ पे जाके हमने शुभम के ऊपर एक छोटा सा प्रैंक किया था।
तो ये एक्टिविटी शुरू होने से पहले करो प्रैंक देख लो। वो बिल्ली बहुत ही हाइपर एक्टिव थी। हमने उसको बताया कि वो बिल्ली एकदम शांत है। आप वीडियो देखो, आपको समझ आ जाएगा,
मजा आ जाएगा बिल्कुल।
उठा के लिया।
ओए होए,
तो गाइस, देखा आप लोगों ने क्या करा इन्होंने मेरे साथ। मतलब मैं वहाँ घुसा, कहते बहुत तगड़ी बिल्ली आई है, बहुत फ्रेंडली है। वो कहाँ की जंगली बिल्ली थी वो।
उनके पास है दो बिल्ली है, एक सफेद बिल्ली और एक जो वाली
वो
बिल्ली है।
बहुत प्यारी है,
सफेद वाली
सफेद।
प्यारी है और ये वाली एकदम ही मतलब।
तो गाइज, आज की फन एक्टिविटी चालू करते हैं। इस ब्लॉग में आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है। तो चलो कहीं चलते हैं और आपको गेम के रूल्स बताओ।
कहीं क्या चलते हैं, खड़े खड़े करेंगे।
मतलब चलते हैं लोकेशन पे, टास्क वाली।
हाँ तो गाइस, अभी सीन क्या है ना, हम लोग करने वाले हैं गाड़ी की रेसिंग। हम लोग धक्का मारने वाले हैं और गाड़ी खड़ी है यहाँ पे। अंदर ड्राइवर हुआ हमारा कैमरामैन, दैट इज अमित, मैं ब्रॉड। तो यहाँ से लेके वो स्पीड ब्रेकर है, वहां तक ले जानी है गाड़ी धक्का मार के, और गाड़ी बंद रहेगी। दिखा दे स्पीड ब्रेकर। इसके रूल्स अब समझाएगा आपको पीयूष और शुभम। और इस ब्लॉग की एक क्या बात। और
गाइस, मैं बता रहा हूँ ऐसे क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि हमने डिसाइड करा था कि इस ब्लॉग में हम इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे, तो हिंदी का पार्ट बोल
इंग्लिश का मैं तेरा
का कह रहा है पीयूष एंड शुभम, और रूल समझाएंगे।
और रूल ये है, इस ब्लॉग में हमें इंग्लिश में बात करनी है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
या लेट्स स्टार्ट।
So guys, this is the starting point. This tree. We are going to start from this, and the end point is that speed breaker. And we are very excited for this competition.
Let's do it.
Let's start the challenge.
So who's gonna go first?
Let's do a Pokemon.
Hukamu.
Odd one goes first. Okay.
Yeah, odd one goes first. 1, 2, 3, go. मिला साथी मेरे जैसा चुन।
You gonna go first. मिला साथी।
मेरा चॉइस में।
You क्या इंग्लिश है?
इंग्लिश में करना है ना। मैं जाऊँगा पहले।
Yeah, of course, man, you gonna go first. He said odd one gonna go first.
Decide the second one.
Yeah.
No, this is unfair.
Why is this
Why?
unfair?
Let's do it again. Once. Why? Please, let's do it again.
No, man, no.
He cries always, man.
For once.
He cries
You
always.
said for once. Well, let's do it again, yaar. For once, yaar. For once.
Let's do it for
time,
once.
man.
So, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Say something.
What?
How are you gonna decide?
Everyone, what basis?
How are we gonna decide that unless and until you say something?
Okay, okay, I'm saying.
Yeah. Shubham is second, I'm third.
Let's do it.
Let's
do this.
guys. So I'm gonna go third. Shubham is second, and Piyush is gonna go first, and Amit's gonna be on the driving seat. Let's begin.
Let's do it. Yeah.
So, what do you think who's gonna win?
I think me.
So is Amit the part of the competition? Is he?
We can be. I don't mind.
You want to be?
No, I don't want to.
Why?
I have to go somewhere.
Where?
Running.
Running?
Go for running.
I have to
go running.
So I was saying that I should keep a check of the time at the speed breaker, and Deepak will run along. Deepak will run along with you as you push the car.
Okay,
That works. Yeah.
Okay, works.
Yeah.
Yeah, works. Appreciate it.
Good morning.
Appreciate it.
Yes, good morning.
Striker ready?
I'm ready.
Referee ready? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Amit, गाड़ी ना off करना. Turn off. Switch off. Switch on. क्या रहा? Switch off the car.
Don't need to turn off the car, so let's start it.
We switch off and we turn on.
What switch?
No, we switch off and we turn on.
But we
Do you know
don't
that?
switch off. You
Oh!
Let's start it. Okay, let's start it. 10 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds. Let me do a bit of warm up.
Brother, you're not going for any dangal, you know that.
Let me do a warm up. Come on.
What are you doing warm up for, man? Just so you're gonna push the car.
I
That's
need
it.
to gather my strength
Okay.
so that I
So-
can push the car.
Where is all of your strength? It's over there.
I'm just.
1, 2, 3. Cut. 1861.
1861. That's the benchmark for today.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, nice.
I'll try to beat it.
So, what do you think? How is going to Shubham perform? How is Shubham going to perform? Okay, let's do it.
Man. Yeah.
Let's do
Good
it.
question, yeah.
What's your name?
Good question.
So, let's start. Are you Shubham ready?
Are you Shubham ready? Are you Shubham ready?
What is this, bro? It's English. English, bro.
Just do one thing, go to 4th standard, man.
1, 2, 3, start.
मार डाला ओ मार
Okay, so let's see who is going to win.
मार डाला
Okay.
My slipper.
And let's see
This is
the
24.
score. Oh my god.
You have to beat 18 seconds to
Yeah,
win this
I'm
competition.
aiming 15 seconds, bro.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Piyush, what do you think? Who's gonna win?
I think the winner is right in front of you.
Yeah, you're correct. The winner is right in front of you guys. Yeah, he's right.
I'm the winner.
You just said in front of you guys, so it's me, of course.
No, let's start the game.
Yeah, let's start the game, man. Let's start the game.
Let's
I'm
start
gonna
the
beat
game.
you. Yeah.
I'm gonna
I'm
win.
already in 15 seconds, man.
Brush to kar liya again.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, so that's the start. Come on, Deepu. Come on, Deepu, yeah.
Stop it. 60. And the winner is here.
Wow.
Amit is in the game. And let's see.
Amit,
His
what's your
score.
strategy?
No
to beat
strategy,
your
bro. No
brother?
strategy. What about your performance, bro?
I was good, bro. I think you will be able to meet.
And 3, and 2, and 1, let's go! Come on, Amit. Come on, you can do it, Amit. Faster. Okay, what's the time?
15.
Oh my god, the true winner!
Guy's the winner.
Wow!
So you've beaten all of us. Yeah. How do you feel?
Cheers, man,
Really
cheers.
nice.
How
A
are
winning
you feeling
speech.
right?
Say something, come on.
So it's very, feeling very happy right now.
Okay.
Being first
Okay.
among all of us.
Yeah.
It's about shoes. I'm wearing sports shoes. That's why I'm able to run fast.
Yeah. Of course.
That's the major difference because, as you can see, Shubham is wearing slippers. That's why he's not able to run fast.
So you think you are fit amongst us?
Yeah. In this competition.
No, but
at
you
least.
were on the advantage of wearing the shoes,
Yeah.
right? How much did it cost you?
It's around 13.5. So guys, thank you so much. I have to leave now. I have to go for running.
Okay, enjoy, man.
So,
Cheers. Good one.
Cheers, bro.